Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. In this video we want to talk about the shorter time frame because Bitcoin hasn't moved a lot since the last update, but I added some possible micro counts here to the movement to the upside that we can use to understand, okay, how long or what is the level that Bitcoin should hold to still give us further upside. Yeah, since Thursday we have an unbroken uptrend. I never confirmed here that a local top was made because the relevant support levels always did hold. Yeah, I gave you a few levels that you need to be watching out for to get a confirmation that the uptrend is over, but they were never broken. So from that point of view, it's just pushed higher, and we do the same again. I give you another level that Bitcoin, if broken, at least, well, if that level is broken, it makes it more likely that Bitcoin is already finished with this small rally and will come down. Yeah. So again, we talk about the short-term bearish and short-term bullish count. Both are embedded in a larger bullish count and larger bullish scenario. Okay, I don't want that to be lost in translation. I think the market is fairly bullish as long as certain conditions are met. And here with the current situation, as long as we're holding 22,000, I think we can get a third wave rally into the 40k region. But first of all, we either need to complete this correction, or if already completed, then I can only really confirm that a bottom is in here as soon as we have a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. As long as we only have 3 waves up of this 12th of May low, which is the current situation, the risk is still there that we will make another low. Okay, so I just have to highlight it, that potential or risk. But yeah, in the end, it comes down to the time frame that you're interested in. So the short-term bearish count suggests that of this April high, yeah, that we've been coming down in a WXY correction, and then in the Y wave, we're currently in the Y wave. We have an A wave down, currently a B wave up, and a C wave down, and we currently in this B wave. That's what we need to focus on. We have an A wave up, a B wave down, and a C wave up. That's sort of how I see it at the moment. We are now already in the standard resistance area for the B wave, which is here between 27.9k and 29.1k basically, between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement. But I would only see this as sort of information, because a B wave, as long as it has only 3 waves, you know, it goes as long as it's not exhausted. So B waves are to a degree very hard to forecast, and they can also go above resistance. That's very important. I mean, if it's a B wave, a simple break of resistance isn't really enough to shift probabilities significantly towards something more bullish. What really shifts probabilities is if we see a 5-wave move instead of a 3-wave move, because at the moment A, B, C, which can even push a little bit higher, I need to see this to confirm we have bottomed with an ABC structure down later. Again, I had a few comments in the last video where I said, okay, before that I cannot confirm that we've bottomed. And then the question was, right, but then we're already at 30k. Yeah, you know, that's true, probably. But the point, which is very important, is that don't see the analysis side and trading as the same. Yeah, so if I tell you I cannot confirm that we've bottomed until I see 5 waves, I mean, does that mean you have to buy when I confirm it? Absolutely not. Yeah, that depends on your strategy. If you're a pullback trader, you would have bought here, okay, in the pullback zone. That's why it's nice, colorful, big yellow, okay? You would have started to scale in there without necessarily waiting for confirmation. For example, when I buy, I don't wait for confirmation. However, other people who like to have more comfort, they may wait for confirmation. But does that mean they will buy at the top of the 5th wave? Likely not. Well, they can do, but most likely what will happen is after we have 5 waves up, we will get 3 waves down, okay? And that's typically the next setup. So it's all about, you know, what kind of trader are you anyway? But just because something is confirmed as per the analysis doesn't mean you have to wait for confirmation to trade. I know this is hard to grasp for people who are new in this space, but this is how it needs to be understood. Yeah, I can only provide you with the tools and the charts, and from an analysis point of view, I can't confirm something until we see the pattern. Yeah, However, the analysis also provides high reward, low risk setups, and this was one of them. That's why it's nice, big, colorful on the chart. Yeah, this is a support zone, basically a trend reversal zone, where for a third wave rally, in my opinion, reward is high and risk is low. So if you decide to try to trade high reward, low risk setups, you would have started to scale in here, for example, and you would already be in profit. Yeah. Other people might want to wait for a 5-wave move up first, and then the subsequent 3-wave move down, and that would give you the next pullback trade setup. Okay. Yeah. So that's, I know, just sort of that's how it needs to be understood. But yeah, in the short term, we only have 3 waves up. As long as we only have 3, the risk remains of, getting one more low. However, if I see the 5, that's how you need to understand it. I mean, the short-term trend is clearly up. Yeah. From a mindset point of view. Now, I'm not telling you we will definitely make another low. Don't think that way. What I'm telling you is we have a short-term uptrend. It is at the moment only a 3-wave move up. The risk is still high. We make another low. So consider that if you move up your stop loss, that's up to you, if whatever you do to manage risk, or you scale out in resistance already, start to take some profits of the position you might have entered in the support area, because the risk is still high. Okay. Now, what is the level? So the short-term trend is up. Very important to understand. The short-term trend is up. If we get 5 waves, even better. But until then, the risk is there that this is still a B wave. There is a level, because I added the micro count now for this possible C wave. There is a level that Bitcoin needs to hold in order for further upside to be valid in this count. And that's the wave 1 high here. At 27,350. So as long as that level is holding, Bitcoin can, in the current structure, move up further and could give us as you can see here, we had a wave 1, we had a wave 2. I think we are still in the third wave. In the third wave, we have a 1, 2, 3. This could be a 4. Shouldn't really come down much lower, to be honest. And then we should get a wave 5 of 3, then a 4, then a 5. But only that would complete the C wave. If we then get... Oh, I probably moved that out, did I? Yeah, I think I did remove it. If we then get after this another low and another high, then we have 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, ideally, obviously, we need to see something like 3 waves in the third wave, but let's see how that then comes together, because it's a diagonal. That's the only way how to make this work bullishly. But yeah, this is sort of these are the levels to watch out for. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content, some signals and additional stuff about Elliott Wave, mindset and so on. So check that out. Links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.